My name is Victor Sylvester. I'm from North London. I'm doing the tiling course. I actually have a project in the Caribbean because I'm a retiree now. So I'm going out to the Caribbean after this to do my tiling project, a major project. I googled it. I was looking for a tiling course, and there were tiling courses all over the country. But because I live in sort of North London, I thought I'd come here. And then I also know somebody else that did a plumbing course here, and they recommended it, so that helped. Facilities are good. Training has been excellent. I've learnt. Well, I initially only signed up for 1 week to do the introduction, and this is now my third week. So that's how exciting it's been. It's been very, very good. I've learnt a lot. It was above expectations. Definitely above expectations. Yes, I'm returning to do the plumbing, and when I get back from the Caribbean, I think I'm going to carry on with the tiling and maybe try and get a City and Guilds, do another 2 or 3 weeks, get a City and Guilds certificate, because I really enjoy it.